So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this sum for you all. So look at the sum very carefully. If the third, fourth and fifth terms in the expansion of x plus a whole to the power n be 84, 280 and 560 respectively, then the value of a is, 5 options have been given. We have to find which one is correct. If the third, fourth and fifth terms in the expansion of x plus a whole to the power n be 84, 280 and 560 respectively, then the value of a is, what is the value of a we have to find. Okay, so I am doing the solution, watch it very carefully. Acha, third term of the expansion, third term is, we can write it as t2 to 2 plus 1, so it will be nc2 into x to the power n minus 2 into a square. Okay, clear? Acha, now fourth term is t4 t3 plus 1. Okay, t3 plus 1, this will be nc3 into x to the power n minus 3 into a cube, right? And then fifth term 4 plus 1 is equal to nc4 into x to the power n minus 4 into a to the power 4, right? Clear? So now by the problem, the third term, this is the third term is 84. So therefore by the problem nc2 into x to the power n minus 2 into a square is 84. Name it as equation 1. Clear? Then the fourth term nc3 into x to the power n minus 3 into a cube, fourth term is 280. So name it equation 2. Clear? So now fifth term is nc4 into x to the power n minus 4 into a to the power 4 is, fifth term is 560. Name it as equation 3. Clear? So now what will you do? We will divide equation 2 divided by equation 1. Okay, so equation 2 is this one, nc3 into x to the power n minus 3 into a cube by nc2 into x to the power n minus 2 into a square is equal to 280 by 84, right? So now from a square will cancel each other, only one a will remain. Acha, 7 12s are 84, 7 4s are 28, 40, 4 3s are 12, 4 10s are 40, right? So this will be, acha, n factorial 3 factorial by n minus 3 factorial into x to the power n minus 3 division, so minus n plus 2 into a will be by n factorial by 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial is equal to 10 by 3, right? So this will be, acha, n factorial will cancel each other, so therefore acha, since it is division, this will go up. Okay, 2 factorial n minus 2 factorial by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial into x to the power minus plus n minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 1, into a is equal to 10 by 3, right? So now 2 factorial, n minus 2 factorial can be written in this way, n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial, then 3 factorial can be written in 3 into 2 factorial into n minus 3 factorial. Achha, into a, x to the power minus 1, that means x will come down, x is equal to 10 by 3, right? So now 2 factorial will cancel each other, n minus 3 factorial will cancel each other. Achha, this 3 will cancel each other, okay? So what will remain? A into n minus 2. So a into n minus 2 by x is equal to 10, right? Clear? Name it as equation 4. Okay. So now what will you do? At last time we did equation 2 by equation 1. This time we will do equation 3 by equation 2. Okay. So now equation 3 divided by equation 2. Okay. So equation 3 was this one, nc4 into x into n minus 4, nc4 into x to the power n minus 4 into a to the power 4 by equation 2 was nc3 into x to the power n minus 3 into a cube is equal to 560 by 280. So 560, 280. Okay. Clear? So 280 into 2 are 560. Clear? Again a cube, only one a will left. Okay. So this will be n factorial by 4 factorial n minus 4 factorial, n factorial by 3 factorial into n minus 3 factorial, okay, into x to the power n minus 4 minus n plus 3, n minus 4 minus n plus 3 into a is equal to 2, right? Right? This n factorial will cancel each other, so this will go up 3 factorial n minus 3 factorial 4 factorial n minus 4 factorial into x to the power minus n plus n, that is minus 1, okay, into a is equal to 2. So this will be 3 factorial n minus 3 factorial n minus 3 into n minus 4 factorial, then 4 factorial 4 into 3 factorial into n minus 4 factorial into a, this x to the power minus 1, that means 1 by x is equal to 2. So 3 factorial will cancel each other, n minus 4 factorial will cancel each other. So finally it will be a into n minus 3 by x is equal to 2 into 4. That means a into n minus 3 by x is equal to 8. Name it as equation. Last equation was 4, so we'll name it as equation 5. Clear? So now what will you do? We'll divide equation 4 by equation 5. Okay. So what was equation 4? A into n minus 2 by x, a into n minus 2 by x divided by a into n minus 3 by x is equal to 10, 10 by 8, 10 by 8. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay, acha, a will cancel each other, x will cancel each other. So n minus 2 by n minus 3 is equal to 5 by 4. So 4 into n minus 2 is 4n minus 8, and it will be 5n minus 15. So it will be 4n, acha, minus 8 plus 15 is equal to 5n minus 4n. That means 7 is equal to n. That means n is equal to 7. Okay, right? So now what will you do? Putting n is equal to 7 in equation 4. We will put n is equal to 7 in equation 4. A 7 minus 2 by x, n minus 2, that means 7 minus 2 is equal to x is equal to 10, right? That means a into 5 by x is equal to 10. 7 minus 2 is 5, 2s are 10. That means a is equal to 2x. Name it as equation 6. Clear? So now putting a is equal to 2x and n is equal to 7 in equation 1. So what was equation 1? Equation 1 was this one, nc2. So we'll put 7. So 7c2 into x is equal to n minus 2, that means 7 minus 2. Okay, into a square. A means a is equal to 2x. So we will put 2x square is equal to 84. Okay, so it will be factorial 7 by factorial 2 and 7 minus 2. Okay, into x to the power 5 into 4x square is equal to 84. Okay, so now 7 factorial, 2 factorial, 7 minus 2 is 5 factorial, into x to the power 5 plus 2 is 7, into 4 is 84. So 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. So it will be 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. 2 factorial means 2 into 1 into 5 factorial, into x to the power 7 is 21. So 5 factorial will cancel each other. 2 3s are 6. Okay, 7 3s are 21, 3 cancel each other. So x to the power 7 is 1. That means x is equal to 1. Clear? So x is equal to 1. So now what will we do? Putting x is equal to 1 in equation 6. What was equation 6? Equation 6 was this one. A is equal to 2x. So therefore a will be 2 into 1. Okay, x is equal to 1. So it will be 2. So the value of a, what was the question? Then the value of a is 5 options were given to us. So value of a is what? 2 is coming. So option number 2 is the correct option. Clear? Thank you for watching the solution.